Today we'll talk about how can you prefer it skin tone on your remaind app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above here, this sign, you click on it. You just click here in this sign. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, just click here in this sign. We just click here in this sign, so that it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on your account, you just click on it. You just click here on your account, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just come here to preferred skin tone. So then here can you select it in this list on your remained app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.